Hello everyone. If Alexa suddenly stops playing the music, don't worry, this is a very common issue. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly why it actually happens and how you can fix it. So Alexa depends completely on the internet. If your Wi-Fi or drops even for a moment, the music is going to stop. So whenever the music stops, you just have to check your connection by running a quick speed test on your phone. If the connection is unstable, you just have to simply restart your router and you need to keep Alexa closer to it. Also avoid network congestion if multiple devices are streaming at the same time. Now you need to check your music account as well. For that, you need to simply open your Alexa application on your phone. Now you need to come inside the settings. Inside the settings, look for the option of music and podcasts. Over here, you just have to basically look for the option of link services. And here, make sure that the default services like Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, or etc. is properly linked. If needed, you can just simply unlink them and then you can relink the account. The expired subscriptions or login issues can also cause the playback to stop suddenly. If it still happens, you can just simply refresh the device. For that, you just have to first of all unplug your Alexa device from the power. Afterwards, simply wait for 30 seconds and then you need to plug it back in. Once it restarts, you can try playing the music again. This particular step is also going to clear temporary bugs that interrupt the playback. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.